Could you please say your name and where you're from?
My name is Reverend Grace Mwangi from Molo constituency, Nakuru, Kenya, Church on the Rock.
And what prompted you to come to this conference?
The zeal and the passion for my country. After going through the post-election violence, I've realized that peace and the unity, the harmony of our people is the only thing that can help us move forward, develop, and even have achievements.
And what is your experience with the post-election conflict?
Well, it all started in 1992 when I came to Molo, and the elections sparked the violence, and it was so devastating, it was so painful, and I had to run away for some time, but I had to come back because I had started settling in Molo.
And how do you plan to carry the message of peace and reconciliation back to your community?
Now, a lot has been imparted in me. And I feel that, like I'm a principal of a primary school, children have been used a lot they have been used in taking part in violence. I'm going to try and come up with songs, poems, dramas, debates can really impart peace and harmony of the different tribes, appreciating one another and how they can live in peace and in love through the children. I also feel like I'm also the chair lady of the watch group. It's a group that watches over things in our constituency, and I'm going to sensitize them on the need of peace. We are going to come together in our meetings, and I'm going to impart them and then also empower them to go in each of their villages that they can in return train other people. For example, they come from all divisions. They come from the larger Moro district. And when we come for our group meeting, where we'll sensitize them, we'll continue to make what has been imparted by the KPI as an agenda in our meetings, and then we can empower them to carry on the message to their villages. Also, I was thinking it is very, very important to hold interdenominational peace prayer meetings. Like I said earlier on, we have been crisscrossing this county, dedicating the counties to God. And therefore, I think that we are going now to place this KPI message as an agenda in our crusades, that everybody can embrace one another and move forward as brothers and as sisters. And through our government structures like the DPC, we can try to sensitize people on how to come together and carry on the message of peace in our nation.
And is there anything else that you'd like to add or say?
It's also in my mind that every opportunity we get is gonna be a time to tell Kenyans how important it is to live in peace. We're going to preach it in the barazas, in wedding ceremonies, in burials, every opportunity that comes my way.